Hello students, let us continue exercise 6.3 lines and angles. Question number 3. AP and BQ are the bisector of two alternate interior angles formed by the intersection of a transversal T with parallel line L and M so that AP parallel BQ. Now, if L parallel M and T is a transversal, then angle CAB equal to angle MBA, alternate interior angles. Now divide on both sides by 2. We get angle CAB upon 2 equal to angle MBA upon 2. Now AP bisect angle CAB. So we write angle PAB equal to, now BQ, given BQ bisect angle MBA. So we write angle QBA. Angle QBA, given AP bisect angle CAB and BQ bisect angle MBA. Now angle PAB equal to angle QBA. Both angles are equal, so but they form alternate interior angles. So AP parallel BQ. Hence, converse by alternate interior axiom AP parallel BQ. This is your solution. Now question number 4. Figure 6.11. Bisector AP and BQ of alternate interior angles are parallel, so that L parallel M. Now we write, given AP and BQ bisect alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles is CAB and MBA. And given AP parallel BQ. Now AP parallel BQ and AB is a transversal. So angle PAB equal to angle QBA. Alternate interior angles. Now multiply 2 on both sides, we get 2 angle PAB equal to 2 angle QBA. 2 angle PAB equal to 2 angle QBA. Now given AP bisect angle CAB and BQ bisect angle MBA. This is your given. So we write double of angle PAB is angle CAB. So we write angle CAB. And double of angle QBA is right angle MBA. Now angle CAB and angle MBA are equal, but they form alternate interior angles. So L parallel M. By converse of alternate interior angle axiom. So L parallel M. Now given A, B, C. AB parallel to DE. E. F. D. Given BA parallel ED and BC parallel EF, so that angle ABC equal to angle DEF. Now produce DE. intersect BC at point P. This is your angle P. P. Now, given BA parallel ED and BC parallel EF, to prove angle ABC equal to angle DEF, construction, produce DE to intersect BC at P. Now, this is your angle 1 and this is your angle 2. Now, AB parallel DP. This means angle 1 equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles, and EF parallel BC. This means angle 3 equal to angle 2, alternate interior angle. Now comparing equation 1 and 2, we get angle 1 equal to angle 3. Now we write angle 1 means angle ABC equal to angle DEF. Hence proof. Now do exercise 6.3 in your fair notebook. Thank you.